Hi guys, Seven Figure Boss here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can open a US bank account. Yes, United States of America bank account. The reason it's important for you to create this bank account is for digital creators, entrepreneurs, people that do businesses online, or you do remote jobs. This is an amazing way for you to receive your payment because most of the jobs we do remotely come from the US. So if we can receive the money directly to our bank account in US, we can then withdraw it to our local bank account. That is what I've been using for a while now and it has been working for me, and I wanted to show you guys how you can also do it. So here is gigpay.africa. Okay, here you can see digital financing platform for the gig economy. Create a USD GBP EUR, that's Euro accounts to receive payment for your gigs. Automate employer billing, debit cards for easy spending, build your credit score. So with this, if you're living in the US, you can use it to build your credit score as well. You can also receive loans. Get free instant USD, EUR, and GBP accounts. Save money on international inflow, no maintenance cost, no minimum balance. So there's no minimum balance, no maintenance cost, and then you save money on inflow. So they don't charge you for receiving money. So click on open account, and here it's going to give you legal name, your email address, your password, confirm password, and then referral code if you have any. So here I'm going to put my names. I've already opened an account, so I don't want to open another account. If I open another account with my exact name, is going to block me off. So to avoid that, I'm going to use a random name for the purpose of this training. Special character and capital letter. Yeah. So let's try it again. Okay, I didn't add the special character. Add the special character here. Okay, it worked. So a verification code has been sent to the email. So I'm going to quickly log into my email account to be able to get the code. So here is the code. So once you open the email, you copy the code from your email and then paste it for verification. Paste it here and then it starts processing automatically. So now the account has been created. Okay, so here you can find the dashboard. Here you can see your USD balance, Nigerian Naira balance, Euro, GBP. So if you are opening it from another country, maybe Ghana, South Africa, Sierra Leone, or any other country, you're going to see your country currency here. So that is it. You see exchange rates. They're buying at 698 Naira, 11 kobo, and selling at 730. So if you want to buy, you buy at 730. If they are buying from you, they buy at 698. So here you can see transactions. If you have done any transaction, it's going to appear here. Here is invoices. Here is invoices. Then here is card. We have opened the bank account though. This is the bank account. This is the bank account. But let's move on because you're supposed to verify it. It's when you verify that you now get everything that you need. So here, beneficiaries accounts, beneficiaries. Here, if you have any beneficiaries, people that you transfer your money to, this account, we're going to come back to it later, but I want to just show you guys the workaround. So here is beneficiaries, where you add your beneficiaries. It's just like your normal bank account, people that you make transfers to often. So here is settings. So if you want to set contractor type, whether it's an individual or entity, you put your name, you can change your name, date of birth, phone number, country, time zone, tax ID, passport number, signature, occupation, upload proof of address. I'm going to tell you guys how to do all these things. So here is accounts. Once you come to accounts, you click on create virtual account. So once you click on that, it's going to bring up complete profile setup to get bank account. So you have to complete your bank setup to be able to get your bank account. So click on update profile first. After updating your profile, and then you click on verify your identity. But because I've already shown you guys what you need to update in your profile, but let me still show you guys again. So here you put your country. For me is Nigeria. So here you put your country, you put your state, you put your state of residence. It could be anything. Then you put your street, you put your postal code, put your city, put, of course, individual, and then write your occupation, and then upload proof of address. So now this proof of address, if you live in a rented apartment and you have your NEPA bill, you can use it as proof of address. You can also use your bank statement as proof of address. I use my prepaid meter receipt for my proof of address. So I just downloaded it via PDF and then uploaded it here, and it was accepted. So that is all you need to do here. So once you complete here, it's going to take you to step 2, where you're now going to put your means of identification. So here you can see your verification could be rejected for the following reason: your selfie is blurry, your selfie and the image on your ID do not match, you are unable to verify your ID number from the appropriate authority, your ID has expired, you used a picture instead of a liveness capture, you used a soft copy or a duplicate copy of your ID instead of the original, your age is below GPay approved age, your ID has been tampered with, you've been banned due to your previous activity. So you can get banned if you do anything illegal on this platform. So have that at the back of your mind. So here you can use either in NIN or ID card. Use your passport or voter's card. So if you have your NIN, you can use your NIN, your passport, or voter's card. Anyone is totally fine. So here you're going to select your country, Nigeria, select the national ID slip, and then continue. Process your personal details, process your contact information, process your documentation. So you click on allow. We need access to your camera so that we can take selfie and proof of live images. So here you have to now request for camera access and then do your live, take a selfie. They will ask you to take a selfie. They will show you what to do. After that, you click OK and then submit your proof of identity, and then your account will be created. If you now click on accounts, you now see your bank account listed here. So that is how to open a US bank account. It's quite easy. There's no challenges. Just follow these steps that I've laid down here for you guys and then create your own bank account. Check the link in the description box to get the link of this website just in case you missed it. And I will also recommend that you watch this video, how to create a PayPal account, a working PayPal account that you will not get banned. I'll also be there, like I said, to help you guys fix it if there's any issue. Go ahead and watch the video and start receiving money, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.